At Gemini, we are on a mission to redefine quality standards within our industry across product, price, and service. As the only company in the UK that designs, sources, makes, and installs our own stone surfaces, we are in a unique position to offer you quality and value. From quarry to kitchen, we call this the Gemini difference. Our price promise: buy direct from the people who make it. Our expert designers will get the look and quality you want at the very best price, with no unexpected costs. We guarantee superior UK craftsmanship, exquisite surfaces made to last. We source the very best, purest materials, then manufacture at our UK state-of-the-art factory, combining advanced CNC technology and the most experienced stonemasons. Offering UK-wide installation, made-to-measure surfaces are a perfect fit. Having created your custom surface, we install it in your home, combining the industry's latest technologies with the unmatched experience. We ensure a flawless fit. With over 50,000 happy customers, we bring unmatched expertise from start to finish. As the only UK stone retailer to offer a 25-year material warranty, backed up by a 5-year installation guarantee, we bring you complete peace of mind. From quarry to kitchen, it's the Gemini difference. Now let's bring your vision to life.